Hi, in this video, we're going to show how to use SFlow Chat AI to query the data in Excel or CSV format. So first thing you will do, you will upload the file, the data, the sheet, Excel sheet or CSV file. So click the setting, and then come to your organization's channels. Click the channel. They will take you to the channels. Here we have lots of different channels. There's a data source like a database, Snowflake, Databricks. We have sheets, and then in this sheet I have several sheets already. I have some from the Apollo data. It's a contact information sheet. I'm not going to do it here, but you can just create your own sheet, give it a ChatBot, and then upload your source file. Once you do that, then you can click this Chat AI. You add the sheet into your ChatBot list, and you can you have to do one step is add it to your list. So let's do that. So you come back you can go back to the last setting page. Then you can say, okay, I want to set the character bot, and then you will add a pre-built bot. Yeah, you have to add this Excel CSV query bot into it, and then it will be available there. Okay, and yeah, so once you add that, we already have it here. Yep, right here. So yeah, we can go back. You can click this Chat AI. So basically, you can ask questions about your data. Now, we load everything in here. You can go to find the Excel sheet. You can say Excel. You click this one, and then now you have the Excel query bot, and you can select different data source. Let me say I want to use my Apollo data, and select your CSV file, and I confirm this. Okay. Once you have that, I can ask questions. I got headers. So basically, it's a row of the Excel sheet, and let's see how it come up. Okay, so you have got a first name, last name, title, company, yeah, all this information, including website, company link, Facebook, Twitter, city, state, country, etc. Okay. Now you have all the information. You can ask questions. How many rows? Right. In this Excel sheet, and okay, you can ask more complex questions. So, for example, the summaries about the table. Give me a summary, or you can say summary about the table. It will give you the high-level summary of what this about, or basically based on the understanding. The table provides detailed overview of individuals, and then you can see all these things here. Okay, it's kind of explanation of what's this table, and then you can also ask to list 20 of the top companies that has highest revenue with remuneration repetition in table format. Okay, so basically you ask 20 top company have a highest revenue, and since there's a repeat of different people in the same company, you want to remove the repetition and give us the summary of top 20 company. And you can see you've got the list of the companies here, knowledge, yeah, etc. Okay, and then you have the you can download this as a PDF. You can download this as a CSV file, or you can copy this information to the clipboard and paste it somewhere. Okay, and then so for example, I want to see how many people from knowledge. How many roles from knowledge company? And let's see if we can give us the correct answer. Okay. Is the name and link in for people from knowledge company. That's it. Okay. Let's see if we can do this for us. Okay. Actually, okay. So there's 5 people from the knowledge. So you can see it's very flexible. Once you know the Excel, you can ask any questions about from this sheet, and make it really easy to give you pinpoint to the information. It can be used for data analytic. It can be used for business analysis or many other work. So you just upload your sheet, and you can always come back and ask questions. Upload sheets will be like a one-time work, and then you can come back and ask the same sheet all kinds of information. For example, you have a customer sheet, you have a sales sheet. You can always come and ask questions about these, your information, your sales from last quarters, your sales from last year's, your customers' information, etc. And this will be helpful in targeting certain business for marketing and sales purpose or any other analytic purpose. Okay, and that's it for today's demo. And we will have more like a demo about Xflow's capability in the near future. So if you like our video, subscribe to our channel, give us a thumb up, and thank you very much for your time. And sign up for Xflow. It's free. Try it. If you have any questions, contact us. We appreciate your feedback. Thank you and goodbye.